Become an industry-oriented full-stack data scientist in just 12 months. The course curriculum is developed in coordination with City and Guilds of UK and the software giant IBM. Experience the power of blended learning format. Master over 20 in-demand tools like Python, Hadoop, Tableau, AWS. Rest easy with a 100% job guarantee. Get personalized career advice from technology leaders and alumni from top 20 business and technology universities. Receive 60 plus hours of industry and placement training. Special features of the course are 10 plus real-time projects including one capstone, 40 plus in-demand skills and tools, lifetime access to self-paced learning, 15 plus industry-specific webinars every month, 16 plus specialized domain-specific modules. Learn best practices with industry-relevant use cases for data science, machine learning, and AI. Crack any interview by prepping with unlimited interview sessions with mentors. Get the guidance of experts to prep your resume and LinkedIn profiles. Take advantage of our online and offline hiring events. Reasons to take up this program. Data science is the most in-demand skill. There is a 29% increase in demand for data scientists year over year. The average starting salary ranges between 4.5 lakhs per annum and 8 lakhs per annum for freshers, with experienced candidates getting upwards of 14 lakhs per annum. The average hike for a data scientist is anywhere between 34 and 50%. Be future ready. The demand for data scientists is set to grow exponentially in India. Full stack learning pathway gives you an unparalleled advantage among competitors. Our alumni work at prestigious companies like Verizon, Accenture, PepsiCo, to name a few.